Welcome back guys to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about XVG. So finally we will go down or continue move up to our main targets. Let's dive in. First of all guys, I highly recommend you go and watch my big video about PancakeSwap. And yes, I think in the next few days the market can crash because usually when we got some coins partnership with Google Cloud, in the next few days going down. Yes, unfortunately it's going totally in opposite way. So you can go and watch my video about NEAR protocol. So when the NEAR made announcement about the partnership with Google Cloud, all market crash and going correction, and NEAR also. Also this week we will see a lot of major events which can affect the price for crypto. We will get a CPI on Wednesday. If we take a look on a Bitcoin, I think we can see at least 29,500. But in this case, altcoins will bloody more. And personally, what I would like to see on the chart before August, I would like to see the Bitcoin correction to 28,200, exactly 0.5 level of this gap. Every single time previously, we made a correction to 23 level by FIB or even almost 0.5 level by FIB, and after that we got an impulse. That's why I would like to see drop by end of this month on a Bitcoin price chart around 28,600, 28,200, and then continuation to the main targets. It's around 34, 37, and even 44. So this is how it works. For XVG, like you remember, in my last video, I marked we have to see the crucial moments on this triangle, and unfortunately, we're breaking out down. So we go in down, test, pump it, drop it down, and here's a retest. Retest on 4-hour time frame and going down. Of course, you can tell me we can breaking out and going higher. Of course we can. We just work with possibilities, but we drop it down, reject, and going sideways. So now would be good by this pattern would be good to see the correction. How low we can drop. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, we leave just a gap here on a weekly. This one will be like a main and the first support level for XVG. Next one is here. These two main gaps will be like a support for XVG, and correction on XVG can be even to 18 level by FIB 0.2047. I marked these levels before. So we of course we out of 27 zone, but we got a lot of seller pressure here. Every single time when you see the candles like this one with the huge weak candles, it means that huge seller pressure above. Anyway, why I tell you it's good to see the correction on Bitcoin, because if we see 28 for Bitcoin after this move, we can see the massive continuation on XVG to the main target, what I marked before. This is a monthly gap. What we have to come back and close, it's around 0.018 till 0.021. So this is the main target, and at this area you can start looking the position to buy even on a spot or even in the futures. If we take a look on indicators based on take profit, like you can see around this level, it will be the buy line, because all lines are dynamic. Until that time, we can see the buy line here on a daily time frame. It can be even a test of 18 level by FIB, or even squeeze down to test the buy line and form the full fill on a weekly time frame. So around 0.2042 till 0.2046, it's a good area on the daily time frame to buy XVG again, But of course, keep in mind the scenario, so we can collapse it down and add 10 for XVG to test the 27 level. But we talk about intraday trades, now. And in this area, it will be the good time to close this fulfill. Maybe in the most horrible scenario, we can collapse it down even to the buy line on the weekly time frame. But I hope not. I hope not. We can see something like this one and correction up in August. Also based on trade on, like you can see on a daily, still no signal to sell. On 12-hour time frame, we got first signal to sell. So maybe today or tomorrow, if really market go into correction, we can see the continuation seller pressure, and we can drop down. How low we can drop from this current price? It can be around 42% drop. 42, and a full fill will be 47. So it will be pretty hard, drop. Of course, I can be wrong, and if the market continue moving higher together with the Bitcoin, the main target is here. So just mark your level where you have to take a profit. So around here, between this level and this level, you can take a profit. And it will be more than good, more than 1000% gains. So don't be greedy. And when we go and close all this monthly gap, don't be greedy and take profit from XVG, at least some part of your position. So guys, I hope you like this video about XVG. Write this in the comment. What do you think? Are we going down to correction, or we continue move up to the main monthly gap? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.